Want to grow real wealth without get-rich-quick schemes? In the next few minutes I'll show you the practical steps anyone can use to build lasting wealth, starting today. Welcome to Clever Coin Chronicle. I help people get smarter with money. This video breaks down 7 simple but powerful steps to maximize your wealth. First, increase your income. The fastest lever is earning more. Learn a high-value skill like digital marketing, copywriting, or AI automation. Negotiate your salary or add a side hustle, freelancing, creating digital products, or consulting. Even small increases compound over time. Second, spend less than you earn. Track every dollar for a month. Use the 50/30/20 rule to start: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and investing. Cut subscriptions you don't use and avoid lifestyle inflation when your income grows. Third, build multiple streams. Don't rely only on a paycheck. Combine active income with semi-passive products, like courses or YouTube, and passive income, dividends or rentals. Start with one project you can scale. Fourth, invest wisely. For most people, low-cost index funds and ETFs are the best place to start. Automate investments with dollar-cost averaging and reinvest dividends. Your allocation depends on your goals. A sample allocation is 60% stocks, 20% bonds, 20% cash or alternatives. Use compounding to your advantage. Fifth, wipe out high-interest debt first. Use the avalanche or snowball method, whichever keeps you motivated. Build an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months, and protect your assets with insurance. Sixth, be tax efficient. Use retirement accounts and tax-advantaged structures where available. Claim allowable deductions and talk to a tax advisor. Tax rules differ by country and can save you thousands over time. Finally, mindset. Wealth is built by small, consistent actions over years. Start early, be patient, and focus on systems, not perfect timing. Let compounding do its work. This month, 1. Pick one high-value skill and take one course. 2. Track expenses and cancel one subscription. 3. Set up auto-investing with a small weekly amount. 4. Pay down one card or high-interest loan. 5. Build an emergency fund. Check out my other videos for wealth tips. If this video was worth watching, give it a thumbs up,